C-Money 1911 here with a Savage 93 and 22 Magnum. This is a new rifle practice range. You can hear the hits on steel. I don't know if this range is officially open yet, but since the targets are out, making some use of it here. Looks like it'll be a fun place to shoot. So this range isn't finished yet. I think probably they'll have some kind of tables or benches here in this area. Right now you see I've got a pad there on the floor. There's targets at various distances. And you can hear the difference in time delay from the near targets to the far targets. So that was clearly a close target in comparison to a couple shots back when it was one of the longest, more distant targets. At this point I begin having some trouble getting rounds smoothly into chamber, working the bolt action. And in fact, nothing happened there. Wasn't fully into the battery, or not sure what. Trying to work it again, or get it all the way into battery. Then we get a shot to fire. But now something crazy starts to happen where it continues to become more and more difficult to work the action. And at some point, cartridges start splurting out. When I eject one, a whole bunch pop out of the magazine. So a magazine problem developing where it fails to retain rounds. This is something that got progressively worse here during this session. You can hear the long time delay on those last couple of shots to the most distant targets. Going back to the closest targets now, you can hear the almost instant hit. And you hear me start to really struggle working the bolt, trying to chamber the next round. Every shot's now becoming troublesome. What's happening is the magazine is apparently failing to retain the cartridges as it should, so they all multiple either fly out of the gun when the action's open. There, I gotta pick some up off the ground that have splurted out, or cramming multiple up into the chamber so that nothing can chamber properly. Here I'm reloading, trying to reload the magazine again. It seems to kind of retain them until I get it in there and try to work the action, and then all hell breaks loose. So I kind of fixed this later by taking a pair of pliers and bending the lips of the magazine a little bit more to retain them better, and that seemed to work. But just to be safe, since the gun only came with one magazine, I went ahead and ordered another. I suppose it's good policy to have several magazines for each of your firearms in any case. Getting so many different firearms as a newbie, I haven't followed that practice very much. Some firearms, of course, come with multiple magazines when you buy them. This particular one, the Savage 93, only came with one. And so I went ahead and ordered another, and hopefully between trying to repair this one bending the lips of it a little further closed, and having just purchased a new one as well, hopefully won't face this problem in the future. Oh, there's some more just went. The extra ejections failure to retain the cartridge is becoming invariable now, happening every time. Alright, we'll pack it in and declare defeat, even though I didn't finish the box. C Money 1911, that's how it's done.